Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds SOUNDCORE A25i. And the first one, when you listen to music or watching a movie or a video, you don't need to use your phone, you can use a gesture on your earbuds, and at the back side of the earbuds, where we have SOUNDCORE logo, this actually touch areas. So you can press or double press or press and hold, and with it you can play next or previous track, it's the same with the video. You can increase or lower the volume, you can call your voice assistant. And you can customize it in the application, so I recommend it to install it. Open SOUNDCORE application. If you add your earbuds, you will see it at the device list. And then you just go to the controls and you can select it on something else. I mean, you can change this feature on something else. Next one. You can improve your listening experience by changing equalizer browser presets. So, in the application we also have equalizer, and here's a lot of presets. And you can select something good for you. If you prefer bass, I recommend it to use SOUNDCORE signature preset and enable BassUp in the application. If you lose your earbuds, you can easily find it also using application. You just click on it and then you can play a song in both of the earbuds, and you can volume control by control it on your phone. When you find it, just pause it and that's it. And also if you play games, you can use game mode, and right here in the last line we have it. And you just enable it right here, but it can make your connection instability, and also you can't use equalizer with this mode, so only when you play games enable it, and then I recommend it to disable it. If you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can easily perform a factory reset to fix it. Just put your earbuds to the charging case, and then you need to press and hold both of the touch areas until this LED light, your left or right earbuds, will flash red rapidly 3 times. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!